Hello to you watching. So today in the mail, I got my very first Boxycharm. And so I'm going to do my very first Boxycharm unboxing. If you don't know, Boxycharm is one of those subscription services that you can either get like month by month. I sprung for the full year, so I'm getting 12 of them. So we'll at least have 12 of these Boxycharm unboxing videos. And I used to watch Jen Love's Boxycharm's videos a lot. And what she would do is open a box, show you what she got, tell you how much everything was worth. And then the next month, when she got her next box, she would spend the first half of the video talking about what she liked and what she didn't like and whether it was worth it to her. I really like that format. And then, of course, she would go into her new box. And so I think that's what I'm going to do. And since this is my first box, I have no reviews for you. So I'm going to go right in to what's in the box. Okay, so this month, the box theme was, what was it? Hold on. A fresh start. So this is the little card that it comes with. And it has descriptions of all the base items in your box. And so I'm just going to start from the top of the card. And the first thing was the Voss Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. Now, I've never used any Violet Voss eyeshadows, but this is like a green tone one. I'll get it out of the packaging so you can take a look. But yeah, so it's a really surprisingly thick palette. Like, I feel like it's thick in comparison to some of the other palettes I have. And it's 12 shades, all like green and brown, earthy tones. Yeah, so new palette. There's that, and it was retail price of $34. Next on the list is the Farmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. Now, this is heavy, and that's the Farmacy Daily Greens Moisturizer, and I'll take it out of the box. And this one, the retail price is $38, the most expensive moisturizer I will ever use. But it's in a glass jar. I should smell it. I'm very interested in how it smells. Oh, it smells like minty. Oh, look at that. I mean, it's a very light scent. I think the only thing that's bad about these like jars is that like when you get to a certain point, digging out the sides can be difficult. But I'm looking forward to trying this because right now the only moisturizer I use is Neutrogena, and I've been using it for like years. So it's fun to try new skincare routines. All right, the next is the most expensive item in the box, and it is the Avant Skincare Micellar water. It is like 3 layers of stuff that you like shake up to put all together. But it's obviously a makeup remover, and it's supposed to also be very rejuvenating because it's got the hyaluronic acid in it. And so I've been using the Garnier Micellar water, so it'll be cool to try a different one. And I'm trying to move away from the makeup, like disposable makeup wipes. So having another micellar water in my collection is very good. Okay, so the next thing on the list is the Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Baume Glow Lip Mask. And so that's what this is. And it's just a little tube that's a lip mask. And so apple and balm, let's see if I can give a scent. Now, I'm not a huge lip gloss fan, but if it's like, ooh, it smells nice. Very apple-y. It definitely lives up to its name of apple. But if it is as moisturizing as I hope it is, and it's a good lip mask, my poor matte lipstick lips will appreciate some deep moisturization. Oh, I don't know. Did I say that this most expensive item in the box, retail price $90. Hope I like it. The retail price for the lip mask is $25. All right, and then the last thing in the base box is the Qveen Studio Dragon Duo. Oops, upside down. And it is a duo of eyeliners. You've got a pencil eyeliner and a liquid eyeliner in there. So that's the liquid eyeliner. It's got dragons on it, which is pretty cool. And a pencil eyeliner. And now I want to see, is it a sharpenable? It looks like yeah, it's a sharpenable pencil, similar to my Urban Decay one. So once I'm done with my Urban Decay one, I can try that out. My goal is to obviously try all of these before I get my next Boxycharm. That way I can give you a little bit like mini reviews of the things, and decide if the $24 a month after taxes is worth it for the subscription box. When I signed up, I was able to pick a freebie. Like I was able to use Makeup for All and get something extra in my box. And so my Makeup for All promo code got me the Iconic London face palette. And so this has matte bronzer, matte blush, shimmer bronzer, shimmer blush, and then 2 highlighters. I've been having problems with the bronzer I've been working with right now, so I'm kind of excited to be able to try a different bronzer for a little bit. This does look a little dark, so I might have to be light with it, and it'll be interesting to see how much wiggle room I have. I looked up, this isn't on the card because it was an add-on, but I looked up the retail price, and this retails for $55. So all said and done, this box is worth $270 retail. So that's slightly less than the year subscription I paid for. Let's see if it lives up to the retail price. If you have any experience with any of these products, feel free to comment down below and let me know. If you also do Boxycharm and have some unboxing videos, I would love to watch those and see what you got, whether you got the same thing or, you know, if you got something different. And I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.